Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe Impact155 Dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in larger spaces. With a capacity to remove up to 155 pints of moisture per day, it's designed specifically for areas such as basements, warehouses, or any location prone to high humidity. Its robust performance is complemented by a durable build, ensuring long-lasting operation. One of the standout features of the Impact155 is its Energy Star certification. This not only signifies that it operates efficiently, but it also helps reduce energy costs. Users have reported significant savings on their electricity bills after incorporating this unit into their homes or workplaces. The unit operates quietly, making it suitable for use in living areas without causing disturbances. Installation and setup are straightforward. The unit comes with an adjustable hose connection for continuous drainage, eliminating the need for manual emptying of the water tank. This feature is particularly valuable for those who may forget to check the tank regularly, preventing potential overflow issues. Additionally, the Impact155 is equipped with a built-in pump, allowing for versatile installation options, as it can discharge water to higher elevations. The user-friendly digital control panel is another highlight. It allows for precise humidity control, so users can set their desired humidity levels and let the unit do the rest. The built-in hygrometer provides real-time humidity readings, enabling users to monitor the effectiveness of the dehumidifier effortlessly. While the Santa Fe Impact155 is on the pricier side compared to other models, the investment is justified by its performance and reliability. Its rugged design and efficient humidity control make it an ideal choice for anyone serious about combating mold, mildew, and excessive moisture. Overall, the Santa Fe Impact155 Dehumidifier earns high marks for its performance, efficiency, and durability, making it a worthy addition to any humidity management strategy.